About this item: thumbs up sign sliding storage drawers, very compact under sink organizers and storage in 2 levels, maximizes vertical space. The bottom sliding drawers can be pulled out by the handles for easy access to items behind the front row. There are 8 little hooks to hang stuff off the unit, effectively using the entire space of the cabinet. Thumbs up sign unique design and high quality. Under sink organizer is made with quality ABS plastic. The double tier level is held up by thickened rods, strong and durable. The baskets with hollow design for good drainage. Easy to clean, just wipe the surface with a damp cloth. Thumbs up sign universal dimensions. Bathroom cabinet organizer dimension is W8.5 x D15.5 x H12.2 and the bottom drawer can hold bottles up to 9.1 inches high. Suitable for most under-sink cabinets, effectively using the vertical space to store cleaning supplies, making your items well organized and stored in an orderly manner. Thumbs up sign sturdy construction, no tools required, no screws required, just do a few simple steps and you can get a strong and stable bathroom organizer under sink. Insert the 4 tubes into the holes of the bottom basket, align the top and press the top basket firmly to ensure the tubes are inserted into place. Thumbs up sign multi-purpose under sink storage, perfect fit the under sinks, bathrooms, cabinets, countertops, kitchens, food pantries, offices, and other places. Can be used as bathroom toiletries storage, kitchen spice rack or office supplies shelf, etc. Modern and stylish